Hey y'all, I'm Miss Ashlin. This is my lovely assistant Sam, and today we are going to show you how to make a paper airplane. We have the basic paper airplane and the basic dart. All right, so we're going to switch cameras here. Okay, to make a basic paper airplane, you're going to take a piece of paper. And we have construction paper and regular paper here. I'm just going to use a regular piece of paper. Actually, I'm going to use construction paper because I think it shows up better. The folds show up better. So what you want to do is fold your paper in half long ways.
Hot dog bun style.
Hot dog bun style, he said. I heard you talking like Gangnam style. Okay, and then we want to open it back up and fold our corner piece in towards the middle. And then switch it around and do the same thing on the other side. Then we fold our paper in half. So your folds that you made here will be on the inside. And we're going to take this top edge here and we're going to fold it down to meet the bottom edge. Cool, cool, cool. Just like that. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Now I just flipped mine over to do that. And there is a basic paper airplane. Ta-da! Like that from the top. Ta-da! Woo! All right. So now you will have the instructions for the basic paper airplane. That's upside down to you probably. We'll hold it sideways. On our Maker Monday website tomorrow. So check in on the Maker Monday website on Tuesday and you'll have the information there. Now for a basic dart, we're going to again fold the paper in half.
Hot dog style.
Hot dog style or long ways. Like that. And then we are going to fold our corner in again on this middle line. And I know I can see this line really, really well on this pink paper. This pink paper is my favorite because of that. So you should also make an awesome pink paper airplane. So then we're going to fold our other tip in. Uh-oh, my tips aren't even. Yikes. Okay.
They're mine. Don't matter.
It don't matter, as he said. Okay, so now we've got a pointy edge here. So then we are going to double fold that. Okay, so you got another triangle here. It's a really tight one. And then you're going to do it on the opposite side. Okay, so then we're going to fold this bad boy in half. Sam is already finished. I guess he's making a speed plane. And we're going to take our top and we're going to fold it down to the bottom. So top to the bottom. And then the same here. And then You've got a basic dart, my personal favorite paper airplane. And woo, look at it go. And that's it for today. We do have instructions, or will have instructions for the crosswing. The crosswing, yay. But it's super hard. So we'll try it next time. Thanks for watching.
Wait, my paper airplanes fell into the same place.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Also, while you're at home, you can obviously test and see how far your paper airplanes go. We just don't really have a way to show you other than them flying across the screen how that's happening. So you should definitely do that. And we do have some paper airplane logs in our STEAM kits, which will be out tomorrow at the library. And you can make a airplane out of popsicle sticks and cardstock. So be looking forward to that. Bye, y'all.